It's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist, and we're in the process of doing the day 2 of the Chapman's Reflex course in Brisbane. And I've got Robert here with me, who is an RPR and Bowen specialist. But I want you to give a little bit of comments about how you're finding the course and how the difference, I suppose, between RPR and Chapman's.
Yep. So as Paul said, I'm a musculoskeletal therapist. I use mostly Bowen technique and more recently RPR for my athletes. RPR is a great therapy, but it seemed a little more simplified to me than what Paula teaches, and the results that I've been getting with RPR now make a lot more sense because of the explanation Paula gives due to the myofascial lines of Frank Myers as well as the Chapman's reflexes. I'd also, as I was saying earlier to Paula, I've done weekend workshops for about 25 years now, and nothing has freed my cervical region up as much as the nerve flossing technique that Paula taught us yesterday. So for that alone, this weekend was worth it for me.
Yeah, excellent. Thanks so much. So it's worthy to come whether you are a myofascial practitioner, whether you're Bowen, whether you are doing RPR and you want to try to expand out to find a little bit of the underlying knowledge behind it. And I'm going to be around and about, and I'll actually be coming over to South Africa next year, and also to the States. So if you are around that Charlotte area in North Carolina, or over in Joburg or Cape Town, I want you to drop me a line and I'll send you some more information. Great.
Thanks, Paula.
Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist.